Hi, it's Joseph from Wondershare Virbo. Are you a real estate agent looking to take your marketing to the next level? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to create professional real estate marketing videos with Wondershare Virbo. First, search real estate in template library. Whether you're showcasing a luxurious mansion or a cozy apartment, there's a template that suits every property. Second, upload photos or videos of the house as background to visualize your house type and decoration. You can also add text to attract viewers' attention. Next, add your logo, company name and contact information to establish your brand identity. This helps viewers remember your brand and makes it easy for them to reach out to you for their real estate needs. If you don't want to settle for boring videos, you can add dynamic effects to your footage, such as zooming, panning, and transitions. These effects ensure your videos are engaging and keep viewers captivated from start to finish. Last but not least, once you've added all your footage and customized your video, it's time to add the final touches. Select a suitable AI avatar and voiceover to present video content and add music to give your videos a professional polish. It's the finishing touches that truly elevate your marketing efforts. After all steps, you can export the video in just minutes. It will definitely take your marketing to next heights. So, if you're ready to create stunning real estate marketing videos, Wondershare Virbo is definitely the best choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks on real estate marketing. Happy creating with Wondershare Virbo.